There are plenty of ERP systems to choose from in the marketplace, but how do you choose the best one, and what are the best ERP systems out there? That's what I want to talk about here today. My name is Eric Kimberling. I'm the CEO of Third Stage Consulting. We're an independent consulting firm that helps clients throughout the world reach their third stage of digital transformation success. And every year, if you've been following my YouTube channel, we publish our top 10 ERP systems for the year. And it's that time of year where we need to start looking at what are the top 10 ERP systems for 2025. And this is a particularly interesting and exciting year to do this top 10 ranking. In fact, so much so that there's been quite a shakeup in our top 10 ranking due to a number of factors, one of which is a change in methodology. We've changed the way we've ranked the top 10 systems to focus not only on quantitative factors like average cost, functionality, things of that nature, but we also look at intangibles, things such as implementation time frame, risk, and just overall implementation success, the ecosystem supporting each of these products. And then thirdly, the other big change is that we've also looked outside the realm of our own experience and our own research, and we've drawn from other data sources and consolidated them and provided a sort of weighted ranking based on both third stage knowledge and experience as well as other independent sources that combine to create this top 10 list. So what I want to do today is jump into what are those top 10 systems, what are the big changes from last year, and what are the top systems you should be considering as you look to your digital transformation in 2025 and beyond. Coming in at number 3 is SAP S/4HANA. It's the system in the marketplace that has the largest market share, and especially amongst large Fortune 500, Fortune 1000 global organizations, S/4HANA is very common. Now, some of the strengths of the product include its massive breadth and functionality. There's just a lot of things the system can do. It's great for large multinational organizations with diverse needs that want to have a fully integrated solution to provide that global visibility into the business operations. It's got a strong ecosystem behind it, a lot of different partners and system integrators out there that support SAP, a lot of resources available to support SAP, and SAP just provides a complete solution that caters to a number of different industries. Now, the downside risk of S/4HANA are a few things. One is that oftentimes SAP is trying to be everything to everyone, and in its quest to do so, there's not a perfect fit within any one industry. Certainly they're stronger in some industries, but there's some industries where S/4HANA is overkill or it doesn't quite meet the needs of that specific industry or that type of organization. S/4HANA implementations are complex, they're risky, they're costly. Even for legacy SAP customers that are using ECC, they find that it's a big jump to S/4HANA, and there's a lot of complexities that go along with that, given that it's a new architecture, a new platform, and a completely new system built for the cloud. And when we look at implementations, implementation challenges are one thing holding back S/4HANA in our top 10 list. There's a lot of challenges out there, a lot of struggling and troubled S/4HANA implementations that we're seeing in the market. So that's something that holds it back. And then finally, the last thing I'll say is that when you look at the user interface of SAP, it's not quite as modern and clean, and it's not quite as user-friendly as some of the other systems in the marketplace. But having said all that, that's enough to land S/4HANA at number 3 on our list.